Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate document signing with DocuSign. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to the DocuSign website. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. To start a new document signing process, click on Send an envelope. Next, upload the document you want to be signed by clicking on. After uploading, you'll see a preview of your document. Now, select the recipients by entering their email addresses. You can specify whether the recipient needs to sign, view, or receive a copy of the document. Next, click on Add Recipient to include multiple signers if needed. Once all recipients are added, click on Next to proceed. You will now enter the document editor. Drag and drop the signature fields onto the document where you want the signer to sign. You can also add text fields, dates, or checkboxes as required. Make sure to assign each field to the appropriate recipient. After setting up the fields, click on Next to review your envelope. Double-check all details, including recipients and document contents. If everything is correct, click on Send to dispatch the document for signing. Your recipients will receive an email invitation to sign the document. Once they sign, you will receive a notification confirming completion. You can track the signing process in your DocuSign account under Manage. After all signatures are collected, you can download the document signing automation with DocuSign is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.